friends, today I'm just doing a soft wing, like smoked out shadow look with some lilac colors. I've seen a lot of lilac lately and I really like it. So I decided to try it out. Didn't know what I was doing the whole time, but we got there and I think it turned out really cute. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. Okay, so today I'm just going to start with the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation in the shade 1W2 Sand. This is probably still a little bit too dark. Hopefully I have enough for this because it's running low. Maybe we'll use it. Maybe we won't. Ooh, this is so gonna be too dark for me still. Whoops. I feel like this got a little thick. It's probably old, just like the rest of everything that I own. Yeah, what the heck? I'm gonna use my Bare Minerals foundation in gold medium just to like spot conceal. I'm just going in. This is like a Maybelline like eyeliner pencil that comes in with their gel eyeliners, but it's my spot concealer brush now. Ooh, yeah, that color is nice, and this is really dark, so that just tells me this foundation is way too dark. Okay, then I'm gonna go in with my Naked Skin concealer again in light warm under my eyes. I'm gonna put a little extra on today because I'm feeling extra today. God. It's so scary to see in the viewfinder. And then I'm just gonna get my Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder ready to go so I can powder it really quickly after I blend it out. And I'm just gonna use my beauty blender. I'm gonna get into the inner corner too, just to cancel out the darkness before I put eyeshadow on. I'm using that Real Technique setting brush in that Perfect Setting Powder. Before I do like the rest of my face, I'm just gonna do my eyeshadow because I'm not sure how this is gonna turn out. I've never done a look like this, so we're all gonna be along for the ride today. I'm just gonna highlight, I think like my brow bone and like right under. Just like, I'm gonna frame the eye with a highlight right now. This is the Candlelight, I think, highlight by Too Faced. I broke like the container, so I just keep it in a Z palette. So I'm just gonna try to use this Morphe E27 brush. Don't know if this will work, but we're gonna try it. I'm just gonna use the pink side of that. I just wanna do this first because I don't want it to be like a precise? Who am I? I don't know English anymore. I don't want it to be like a precise brow bone highlight. I want everything to be like blown out. So I want to do this first because I'm going to get it in my eyebrows and I want to be able to go over that with my brow color. And I know it looks like I'm going really heavy, and that's because I am. This highlight, I mean, it's like Candlelight Glow. It's not like blind you, so you have to build it up, I guess. And yeah, I'm not really gonna go in with any like eyeshadow primer. We're winging it. We're breaking the rules today, girls. I'm gonna try out, they don't even sell this anymore, and I'm like so annoying. Like every video I've used that Too Faced Love Flush blush palette that I can't even say. I tried looking it up online and they don't sell it anymore. And they also don't sell the brow product that I've been using. And they don't sell this. I'm the worst. Rant over. This is the ColourPop like Super Shock Shadow in Girl Crush. I'm just using that same Real Techniques base shadow brush, I think is what it's called. And I'm gonna kind of try to wing it out. I'm not going to bring it all the way to my inner corner. I'm going to leave that pretty blank for the star of the show. Next I'm going to use the STILA Shimmer and Glow liquid eyeshadows in Cloud. Again, I know I'm so annoying, but I have this color and I'm obsessed with it, and I think it's gonna look really cute with this look, so I'm gonna use it. I'm a little nervy because, like I said, I've never done a look like this before. I think I usually just blend this out with my finger, but I don't know if it's gonna work. What do I do, this? Yeah, I'll go in with that. I'm using the Morphe M433 for this. It's not really giving me the life that I thought it would. Oh my god, that was so much easier. I like thought that using my finger would fuck it up, but that was so much easier than trying to use a brush. Like, it did exactly what I wanted to in 2 seconds. Okay. And then on the lower lash line, I'm gonna go in with Girl Crush again. This is just a Bare Minerals like duo-ended precision brush. I'm just gonna kind of, I'll go ham, because I don't go ham on the lower lash line. For the inner corner, I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Super Shock Shadow and the color Fringe. And I'm just gonna use a Morphe M205. I don't think I like that actually. So yeah, no, I don't like that. So I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Candlelight Glow highlight on the Morphe M205. We're just gonna try to cover that up. It's like too glittery and just like takes away from the eye look, I feel like. I like want to bring that color down, but I don't at the same time. Fine, I'll just go on my lower lash line with that, just a touch. I'm gonna try to use this M432 brush by Morphe and more of that cloud color. Just put it on a little bit on the back of my hand. We're gonna try it. And I'm just gonna start in the center, see what happens. I'm gonna go back in with Girl Crush on that pencil brush and just kind of blend it in. I'm gonna do the rest of my face makeup now, so I'm gonna just use the Butter Bronzer in the shade Bronzer on my Real Techniques Instapop face brush. I don't need a lot of bronzer because, as we know, pretty dark with this foundation color. For blush, I'm going to use the Laura Geller Blush-n-Brighten Pink Buttercream and just my trusty E4 by Morphe. Wow, that's powdery. Okay. Okay. Ooh, and pigmented. Alright, we thought we were going for a soft blush. We were not. And then for highlight, I'm going to use the Too Faced Candlelight Glow again, Morphe M501. And I'm just gonna go to town. I'm going to use the M168 for the bridge of my nose. Same color though, still that pink. For brows, I'm going to use the Maybelline Brow Precise Fiber Volumizer in the shade Blonde. And so I don't even have to like fill in my brows, which, if you've noticed anything about me, it's that I like things to be as easy as possible. So I just kind of like go in the middle, brush towards the end. Just feel like the bushier the better. I went and got my brows tinted last weekend and she like trimmed the top of them, which I didn't know that was like part of the deal. And so when she like started cutting, I was like, whoa, like I need those. It's kind of like my old man brows that I'm very attached to. She just snipped them right off. I was like, Okay, I think my face is done. I'm just gonna spray down. I'm gonna use, as per usual, my Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. And then I'm gonna use the Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray again, just on the perimeters. So I'm using, this is a Mally eyeliner, and the color is just black. I don't know. That's all it says. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes. Okay, I swear to you, I had every intention of doing lashes today, but now that I'm looking at it, like, it would look really pretty with lashes, but I think it would also look really pretty without them. I'm just not like a lashes girl. They're like too glam for me. Like, I like a little bit of glam, but not like lashes glam. I'm just gonna use the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes for mascara today. For lips, I'm just gonna top it off with the Flower Beauty. It's their, I think, Mix and Matte Lip Duo. This is in the shade Honey Nude. It's got like a lipstick in the top and a gloss in the bottom, but today I think I'm just gonna use the gloss because it's pretty pigmented. I just want to keep it all pretty glossy. So this is the finished look. It's just like a slightly winged out purple shadow look with a shimmery on the lid. Pretty nude colored lip, really glowy skin. I think it turned out actually really pretty. I'm really happy with it. We had some bumps in the road, but I think it turned out all right. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully you learned something and decide to try out some color. Thanks for watching. Bye.